In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your address on Shopify in just a few simple steps. We'll be walking through the process together to ensure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. So, whether you're new to running an online store or just looking to enhance your privacy settings, stay tuned. First things first, let's navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store where you can manage everything from products to payments. Once you're on the dashboard, find the Settings option. It should be located towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a plethora of additional options for you to customize different aspects of your store. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Shipping and Delivery. This section is primarily where your shipping origin address is stored and is also where we'll make the necessary adjustments to hide it. Select Shipping and Delivery, and this will take you to a new page dedicated to all things related to shipping. Now look for the Packing Slip Template option. A packing slip is essentially a document that contains information about the package being dispatched, including the weighted item, quantity, and sometimes address details. We want to modify this template to remove your store address. Once you click on Packing Slip Template, you'll be taken to a new screen displaying the template code. This is where things get a little technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. You need to scroll through the code until you reach line 187. Here you'll find the text shopaddress.summary. This line is responsible for displaying your store address on the packing slips. Simply delete this line from the code. What this does is remove the address section from appearing on any future packing slips generated by your store. After you've made the edits, the next critical step is to click Save. Up in the top right corner of the screen you'll find the Save button. Clicking this ensures that all changes you've made are applied. This is a vital step because without saving, your adjustments won't take effect. Lastly, and equally important, is to ensure everything looks perfect before finalizing. Click on Preview Template to see how your packing slip looks without the address. Ensure your changes reflect as expected. This allows you to make any further tweaks if necessary before going live. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully hidden your address on Shopify packing slips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!